Positional middle.
Good evening everyone, I am the fourth reporter about types of set. My assigned topic is all about positional middle. Quick. Set that rises just above the setter's hands and is hit almost immediately by the middle blocker. So quick, a fast set that goes up just above the setter's hands. The middle blocker hits it immediately. This is very quick attack designed to catch an opposing team off guard before they're fully set in their defensive position. Second, back quick. Sit behind the setter's body instead of in front of it. So back quick, similar to a quick, but the sit is positioned behind the setter's body instead of in the front. This changes the angle of the attack, making it harder for the blockers to anticipate the hit. Third, shoot. Sit there lands between the left sideline that middle of the court. So shoot. The sit is delivered to allow an attack that lands between the left sideline and the middle of the court. This is a more angled attack, often used to target a specific area of the court where there might be weaker blocker or less defensive coverage. Last, slide. Sit the right side of the court where the middle blocker jumps off their left foot and slides across the net to hit the ball. So slide, the middle blocker starts on the right side of the court, jumps off their left foot and slides across the net and hit the ball. This is a more dynamic and powerful attack, often used with the middle blocker has time and space to generate more power and speed.
Back row.
So once again, good evening everyone. This is the last reporter. The topic is all about positional back row. First, 5. Set to the back row in the middle of the court. The 5 set in a volleyball is a type of set that targets the back row, specifically the middle area of the court, often around the 6 or 10 foot line. This set allows a back row attacker to hit the ball. Second, set to the back row on the right side of the court. The set to the back row on the right side of the court is typically referred to as a back row set or right back set. This set allows a back row attacker to hit the ball from the right side of the court. The last, 3/4, set to the back row on the left side of the court. The set is placed in the back row on the left side of the court, enables a back row player to attack the ball, and the timing and positioning the setter and the back row attacker need to be a successful set. That's all. Thank you.
The bonus is setter dump.
We also have what we called bonus or a setter dump. So bonus is a honorable mention to types of setting in the positional category. A setter dump is less of a set and attack over the net. So to execute this, a setter places the ball over the net into an open space on the first or second ball. So instead of third ball with the spiker usually hits. It can be either gentle and fall close to the net, push deep, or even spiked if the setter is skilled enough. So there is also the limitation for this, that the setter must be in the front row for this to work. So otherwise, it would be considered a rules violation or back row attacking and cost your team the point. So that's all for our report, which is the different types of sets in volleyball. And thank you.
Thank you.